this event. I'm David Saltran. I'll be your host for this afternoon. And I'm also the host of a TV program called The Executive Class. And in that program, I feature and I cover the different passion projects and of course, the different private collections of prominent Filipino personalities. In fact, also foreign personalities. So indeed, it's great to be here. I'd like to welcome you all to what we call Driven to Heal. This is a celebration of Sam Versosa's passion for, as you can see, supercars, but also his passion for philanthropy. That's right. These are two passions which come together today in order to raise funds for a very important and a very worthy cause. Ladies and gentlemen, today we showcase 10. This is just a fraction of Sam's collection, but 10 of some of his favorite cars. 10 of Sam's supercars. These are 10 masterpieces of engineering, masterpieces of design, and masterpieces of luxury. A collection of cars that, in my own estimate, having covered cars for more than 2 decades actually, would probably cost around over 200 million pesos. I could be wrong, it could actually be higher depending on the value of these cars as they increase over time. Because some of these cars are indeed quite rare and hard to find, even if they are already or have been with Sam for some years. Alright, I can say that I've featured some of these cars before, not Sam's cars, but similar models in my show. I've tested it on both streets in the country and streets overseas, and what I can say is these are really and honestly fantastic, amazing cars. We call them supercars, maybe even hypercars, a notch higher than your regular sports cars. These are collectibles. And the philanthropist behind the cause, business entrepreneur, TV host, and party-less congressman, Sam Versosa. Sam! Congratulations! Happy to make promises. It's very hard to make those promises, especially that promise entails 200 million pesos, maybe even more.
Well, sabi nga ni Sir David, yung napanood niyo pong video, yan po yung pangako na ginawa ko noong 2021. At ito na po yung promise na yun. At tutuparin natin ang pangako na yan ngayong araw. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga pumunta dito po sa Driven to Heal charity event natin. This is not the first time that we auction a luxury vehicle. Nag-auction na po tayo ng Ferrari before to help people during the pandemic. Recently, we auctioned a Maserati SUV to help build a bone marrow transplant facility sa PGH for the cancer patients. And now, with your help, with the help of our friends, itong lahat ng proceeds na to, makakatulong po para makapagtayo ng mga dialysis and diagnostic centers sa Maynila. Alam niyo po, dun po sa programa ko sa Dear SB, ang dami kong nakakasalamuhang mga kababayan natin na nasa laylayan. Sobrang hirap, sobrang naawa talaga ako at laging bulong nila sa akin, Sam, pwede pang paggamot, pwede humingi ng pang-hospital, pwede humingi ng pang-libre maintenance, X-ray, diagnostics, laboratory, ultrasound, ECG, pampadialysis. Doon po nang galing lahat to para maipalapit lahat ng serbisyo yan diretso po sa mga tao. Ngayon po, meron na tayo mga SB mobile clinics na merong mga laman na mga X-ray machine, laboratory equipments, ECG, ultrasound, lahat po ng serbisyo na yan at umiikot buong Maynila para ihatid yung mga serbisyong kinakailangan ng mga kababayan natin. Pero kulang pa rin po kasi hindi naman lahat nasa serbisyohan dahil napakalaki po ng Maynila. Kaya po, in my own way, in our own way, magtatayo po tayo ng mga dialysis centers pa kung mabibigyan tayo ng tsansa. Nung isang araw lang po, nag-groundbreaking na po yung Sampaloc Dialysis and Diagnostic Center. At sa tulong ng mga kaibigan natin na bumibili at bumili na itong mga sasakyan na to, mabilis at sobrang sandaling oras na lang aantayin at mabubuksan na po natin yan. Meron na po tayong mga suppliers, meron na po tayong mga ibang equipments, itatayo na lang po yung magandang structure. Mamaya po ipapakita natin yan. Sabi ko nga po, napanood yung video, matagal na po tayong tumutulong. Hindi na po ito yung, hindi po ito yung una, marami na po ganitong pangyayari, charity event, more than 10 years na. Meron tayong front row cares. Ito po yung lugar namin ng ating business partner, si R.S. Francisco. Na tinayo namin at marami na pong natulungan at nabagong buhay. Meron din kaming Batang Sampaloc Scholarship Foundation na may pinag-aaral ng mga estudyante sa aming lugar, sa Sampaloc at Maynila. I'm the Director for Charity of Miss Universe. Ang dami rin tinutulungan sa Tondo at kung saan lugar pa sa Pilipinas, hindi na po sa Maynila. At ito po, para lang maituloy yung mga pagtulong natin kasi kailangan natin magsipag, magtrabaho, para mas makatulong tayo. Sabi nga nila, tulungan mo muna yung sarili mo bago ka makatulong sa iba. So, galing sa Sampaloc, galing po sa wala, nagsumikap, nag-aral ng mabuti, hanggang negosyo at awa ng Panginoon, nag-bless po tayo na sobra-sobra. So, ito po ay mga sobra sa mga biyaya na binigay sa atin na sa tingin ko, mas maraming matutulungan, mas maraming makikinabang. Sabi nila, ang tunay na kayamanan, wala naman dito sa mundo, hindi nandun sa taas. At as I always say, the true purpose of wealth is to help others, and that is what real success looks like. Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat din sa